Give it a second, let them calm down. I see him. Shit. Whenever you're shooting at him again, let me know right before you go.
Before I'll sit down. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, they see me.
You're saying hi.
I'll probably miss. Why not? Will you hold that just a moment? Thank you. That looked damn near
Yeah, good one. Oh, you got him. Wow, look at him file out.
Pleasure playing with y'all.
Hey, I saw that come up and I smacked.
Oh, yep. I think if we get low, we can move up to that truck.
He's still hitting right here.
Yeah, we can.
Where's it coming from?
It's coming right behind that truck. It's gonna be right behind those barrels right there, where that, I think right in front of Burger King. That red car.
Heard. Oh, I see him. And there's one at construction. Yeah, back of Burger, if not the window. And I think construction has one.
I think we are enough room to push up. Yeah, I see that yellow shirt right there.
That's yeah, that's right. I don't know if they're at construction.
You wanna look at? Yeah, I got it.
What's to your left?
I don't see any to the left. I don't think there's.
Oh, there's one.
One guy on top.
That's a band. I'm gonna move to this maroon truck.
Whoa, right on below Burger.
Below Burger?
Yeah, he almost got him.
You got enough shots to shoot one or two?
Oh, yeah.
Just let me know when.
Ready?
Yeah. Coming out of back of Burger! Back of Burger!
Hit him, Steve! Hit him, Steve!
Good try, Bob. Oh! That was me. That was up top. Bullshit. Well, then they're all dead in the back then.
Wow.
Bro, somebody's dead.
I didn't see it throw it.
I threw it up top.
I saw it go down. It went down into that chute. It did sound like it went inside. Run the fingers.
I'll get you again.
You're going through each finger. One finger, one finger.
That was a boss moment before I ran, and I unplugged it when I ran from here. And as I ran through the door, I went ahead and threw it up, and then threw up arms.
I knew about the sounds in there. I'm like, that's probably Steve.